Okay, so what I want to talk about today is this thing here. I don't know if this is backwards or not. If it's backwards, I'll read it for you. It's the magnetic chest mount. So what this is you put this around your neck, okay? And, well, I'll show you what it does. Put it around your neck. This is a piece of metal, basically, inside of a plastic. So, put it inside here. You put it wherever you want it. And basically, you mount your camera, because this is definitely a magnet. And I'll show you how strong this is. It's way down here, but I don't like it way down here. This magnet is so strong, it doesn't matter where you put it, it's not going to go anywhere. And this is a fairly thick sweater, so watch when I put it on here. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. It's so you can just mount it, have your hands free. I'll have a mic, and I'll do that later on, because I ordered a mic, and so I don't want to speak through this camera because the microphone's not great in this camera. But to show you how strong this magnet is, I mean, it's so hard to pull off. And then what's good about this, we're going on a cruise, and everything in that cabin is metal. It's a ship, it's a cruise ship. And they give you these extra plates which have an adhesive on the backside. These are metal as well, and you can put these anywhere, like, I don't know, in your car or whatever. But yeah, I got this from, was it Amazon? I think it was Amazon. It's made by K&F Concept. Maybe I'll zoom in later on. It's K, right there, K&F Concept. Okay, like it says right there. Okay, if it's backwards, well, I'm telling you what it is. But anyway, this is perfect for this little camera. You can actually put other cameras on here. You can also put a GoPro. It's because it's compatible with the GoPros. But and they give you this one here, where you can actually mount your phone. This is spring-loaded. Okay. And you can actually put your phone on here. So yeah, I would highly recommend this because, number one, you've seen those other ones on there, they're really stiff and then they clip on, but they're really thick and stiff, and they go on the outside. This goes on the inside. Okay, the base is right here, but you could actually move it anywhere you want, like way up here. I want to move it up because I want to be able to see exactly what I'm filming. I don't want to be filming the floor. And this string is actually a little long for me, but again, if you have it way up here, let's see, let me square it up a little bit. Okay. Gotta wash my fingers because the magnet is, like I say, is so strong. Once you get it on there, yeah, you hit the start button on top, and like I said, I'd like to see what I'm filming. I guess if it's straightforward, you're going to be filming exactly what's in front of you, but I'll give it a shot and see what happens. And yeah, I'll do, as a matter of fact, I'll do a small demonstration. I'll walk through the backyard and show you what it looks like. And you'll also hear the mic. It's not very good. But yeah, I think this is great for the Brave 4 or any camera. Basically, that's going to be able to mount. You'll be able to mount this any which way. Okay, so let me go outside and we'll do a quick demonstration of the camera. Like I say, the sound's not great, but you'll get the idea. All right, so this video is just about this unit. Tomorrow I should get the microphone, and I'm going to test out a bunch of different things here just to see if I can make it work, because it comes with an extra cable which is the mini USB B2, I think it is, that goes inside this camera. Because this camera, kind of weird. That sucker's strong. On the back side, it's got the USB-C, and it's also got the mini micro USB-B, whatever they call it. Anyway, cable. It's got a cable, and I'll try different mics. If that works or not, we'll see. But yeah. All right, let me go outside. I'll put this on, and I'll demonstrate how it works. All right, thanks for watching, and watch the next video right here. Don't go away. I'm going to go outside. All right. And then, yeah. Okay, I've got it mounted on my chest. Stabilization's not great, but it works for this camera. Okay, so you can see the microphone is not great. This is my backyard. Yes, it is. Alright. Okay, well, until I get the new microphone, I'll do another video on that tomorrow when I get the external mic. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit button. Hit the bell so you can get my next video. I'll be doing a few videos on this camera. There's a few things I want to talk about. Alright, thanks for watching.